What are both of those? Let me see the back of that. Turn it around. No, the back of your garbage truck.
This is the back.
Oh. Okay. Can you crank that trash?
I'm gonna put this in.
What's that?
It's something that squirrel.
What is that? Does the garbage? So where'd you get that stuff?
That Brain Toys.
Give me a look. Look at me. What's that? No, what's Fat Brain Toys?
It's a place.
It's a place? What is a place?
There's lots of toys there.
Do you like it? Look at me and tell me.
Fat Brain Toys, and there's lots of toys.
Whoa.
Hey, and I forgot to show you this.
What's that?
That's the part for the dumpsters.
Do you have a dumpster?
No. I don't have a dumpster for this truck, but for my forklift.
Okay.
Next view is gonna be my forklift. Oh, can you put this on?